This is my first farm stand by New Sprouts. This was gifted to me from the brand, but as always, I will give my honest review. I'm always looking for interactive toys for my kids that really will bring imagination, but also learning, and this is a great way to incorporate both. I'm gonna bring you on close first. This farm stand was super easy to put together, just comes in a few different pieces, really easily able to put it together. I love that it has wheels too, so my kids can hold here and wheel it around. But it also has some great toys. These are super well made, probably the most well made like fruits and vegetables I've ever seen. But then my kids have absolutely fallen in love. It comes with 3 different spots for all these flowers, cute jar jams, the cute bread, and all these baskets do come out. And my kids love to go shopping. And we also love to practice our sorting. So we'll sort all the desserts and breads, our vegetables, our cheeses. We love it. This also comes with a cute little scale. My kids can practice weighing, also a credit card, which my kids always seem to love, and a little card reader. So if you're looking to incorporate another type of grocery shopping, interactive toys with your kids, this is definitely a great option that I find that this is super well built. These toys are really like soft, great for little ones to hold. I don't have to worry about anything being hurt on any sharp points or anything, but this is definitely one that you need.